Today we're going to cover how to view and change parameter values with the Curtis Integrated Toolkit's programmer application. Parameters are organized in collapsible menus which are contained by the menu panel on the left. There are two ways to view parameters. To view all of a menu's parameters, select the menu. To view one parameter, expand its menu and then select the parameter. Each parameter has 4 columns for values. The device value column shows the value stored on the device. The project value column shows the default value that the Curtis Integrated Toolkit project defines. And there are columns for minimum and maximum allowed values. Read-only parameters only have data in the device value column, not in the other columns. You can change a parameter in value in various ways. For example, some parameters have enumerated values that you could select from a drop-down list. Most parameters allow you to directly enter the value in the device value column. For example, we're going to change the value for the open delay parameter. So you select the value, type the new value, do not type the unit of measurement, and press enter. And note how CIT appends the unit of measurement. The programmer app prevents you from entering a value outside the allowed range of values. For example, the open delay parameter allows a range of values of 0 to 40 seconds. If you enter 50, you're prompted with an error message that lets you set the parameter to its minimum value, maximum value, or to just cancel out. You can also change parameter values with the buttons to the left of the parameter value columns. Let's change the open delay parameter to various values. The minimum value, the maximum value, the project's default value. You can also increment by 1 unit of measurement by clicking the plus button to the left of the device value column. You can decrement by clicking the minus button. Finally, the output panel logs all changes you've made to parameters in the current session. You can use the output panel to revert a parameter to a previous value. For example, let's restore the open delay parameter back to its original value of 0.0 seconds. You find the line that has the value you want to revert to, right-click and select Undo. As you can see, the programmer application provides a simple way to view and change parameter values. We hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching.